Okay, so I've minced up some fresh organic basil, some fresh organic Italian parsley. Got some nice tomato paste in there, garlic, fresh tomatoes, some salt, olive oil. We're going to simmer this, right? Bring it to a boil, simmer it, and then let it condense down, and that will be the sauce for the flatbread, inshallah. Alright, this has condensed quite nicely. We're going to turn it off, and then the dough is rising. When this cools and the dough is ready, we'll spread it on top, inshallah. Alright, the flatbread #pizza is getting ready to get in the oven. I'm using up the remaining of mozzarella, so it's not going to be super covered in cheese, but just slightly enough. Okay, so pull this out of the oven. Gonna let it cool down a little bit before slicing. The color is really quite beautiful, and even though we didn't have a huge amount of cheese, still got enough. But either way, the sauce, since it's homemade, is gonna have enough flavor. Alright, it turned out really nice. I'm very pleased, alhamdulillah. And making homemade pizza, it just creates such a wonderful aroma in the air in the kitchen. So hopefully you can practice making some homemade pizzas too as well. Hopefully this will be some inspiration for you. Pizzeria!